Hi everyone, my name is Yan. I'm a mining engineer. Today I'm going to talk about how to use the Datamine Studio 2D to do on-to-feed design. Firstly, we need to set up, manage. We need to create several feeds. We only have feed 1, so I add feed 1 name, then save. And for surface top, we need to input top and link. Then we select the top. For this one, we also need to input top. Then see. And at this moment, we don't need to define planning block models. And we can define different stages. Because we just have one stage, we just end stage 1 here, then see. And we also need to define our bands. So first we click all bands. Then we can manually design it. Bench height we can set 10 meters. Number of bench we set up 20 meters. Then apply. Now we have all bench information and the full crest and toe label. Then save it. Now we're going to design and design slopes. Normally we have 3 different types for region reference. Firstly, manually. Secondly, planning model. Thirdly is binary strings. We just select the menu. We set the example 70. Burn width, we can set up 10 meters. For burn width catch, we can set 12 or 20. Now we save it. And we also have a bench override. We can, according to different regions, set up the burn times. For example, we can set up a standard, then catch out, then standard, then catch. Then save. Then click Auto Design. Now we have the interface for Auto Design. Firstly, we need to input block models. Create from loaded data and set block model. So, going to Data Object Manager, then we can set up a kind of grid, which grid you want to display. So I set up a 0.5 as a color grid and apply. Also can use the resource model, block model properties to set up the display. We will select the U. Then we have a grid category from 0 to 6 to 3 and apply. Firstly, we will check blocks, then click OK. Now we have block models. Then we're going to properties and set up the intersection. Now we can state on different level, different plane. And going to find it. And plan view. For example, we select this level as the bottom for the design. We need to input a new string. So I need to do it again. 5 meters. 5 meters. And click new string. And close it till. Then we click the constraint. So I need to add string, and click its comment and string, and we calculate. Now we have the feed. You can see it. It's not a feed. If you want to create a new ramp, click here, new activity, go, and then name it OAB. And set up a gradient with clockwise and choose start point. It's here. Now, calculate. Now we have a ramp. You can see it. It's not a ramp. Also, we can move start point. Also we can move an animation. Yeah. You can see. And we also can add a switchback. Yeah, switchback. You can remove it. After that, we can make design surface. Now we have the design surface, which is DTM file here. I can set the photo as the blocks. You can see. That means these blocks inside of our P will be mine. So thank you. This is just a brief introduction for AutoPay design. Thank you.